Hello and welcome to English Tom YouTube channel. Today we will learn 13 easy and useful English to Urdu sentences. So without wasting your important time, let's get started. Number 1. बोर्ड की तरफ देखे. Look at the board. Look at the board. सफ़ा बदले. Turn the page. Turn the page. हमारे पास काफ़ी वक्त है. We have plenty of time. We have plenty of time. यहाँ किस चीज़ की कमी है? What is lacking here? What is lacking here? वो बहुत बहतूनी है. She is very talkative. She is very talkative. इसकी सेहत खराब है. He is not in good health. He is not in good health. मेरे बाल मत खींचो. Don't pull my hair. Don't pull my hair. जल्दबाजी मत करो. Don't hurry. Don't hurry. सब्जी काट दो. Chop the vegetable. Chop the vegetable. इसे जाने दो. Let him go. Let him go. ज़्यादा बातें मत करो. Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. तुम बीमार हो जाओगे. You will fall sick. You will fall sick. उसे चोट लग गई. He got injured. He got injured. So thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Allah Hafiz.